Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your controls in Counter-Strike 2. You're going to go to settings menu and go to keyboard and mouse. You're going to go to keyboard and mouse settings, and here you can pick if you want a reverse mouse. That means that if you move it to the left it's going to go to the right. Reverse mode. If you want duck mode, which means if you want to duck you just hold the control, or if you want to toggle you just press control once. Walk mode is the same thing. If you want to just press shift once to walk, or you can just hold it. Sensitivity you can choose how you wish, and acceleration, just it's a bit of a better input for you. And this is where you change your movement keys. The biggest and the basics movement for Counter-Strike 2 is WASD. Forward, backwards, left and right, which is your normal strafe. This is your normal walk, this is your normal duck, or people like to change this into their wheel from the mouse. And same for weapons. If you want to switch your weapons, it's E. Fire with mouse and secondary fire. This is a scope normally, or this can go into a burst from a FAMAS or a Glock 19. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.